Welcome to class 7 mathematics classes. We are in chapter 3, that is fraction, and exercise 3v, question number 3. Question number 3: by what fraction should 9 by 35 be multiplied to get 7 by 15? Okay, by what fraction should 9 by 35 be multiplied to get 7 by 15? So I think you have understood that this is a fraction and it will multiply with some another fraction and we will get this. So if we divide this fraction by this fraction, then we will get the fraction by which it is multiplied, isn't it? So solution is according to question this as a divisor, so we'll divide this one by this to get this fraction, isn't it? So 7 by 15 divided by 9 by 35. Now here simplifying, 7 by 15 divide will become multiply and this fraction will be reciprocal. Reciprocal means denominator will go to numerator, numerator will come to denominator, that is 9 by 35 will become 35 by 9. Okay, now just cancel it. 5 3s are 5 7s are, now no more cancellation. 7 7s are 49 and 9 3s are 27, isn't it? Now we can change this improper fraction to mixed fraction. When the numerator is greater than denominator, then that fraction is called as improper fraction. You know that. Now we will divide this and we'll change it into mixed fraction. 27 1 ja 27 and 49 minus 27 is 22. Okay, so this is what we have done with this arithmetic process. Now in algebraic method, what we can do, by what fraction, let that fraction be x multiplied 9 by 35 to get 7 by 15. So we have to find this x will remain here, this 35 will go here, this is in denominator, while it goes to another side of equal to sign, then it will go to numerator. Okay, and this numerator will go to denominator. So the same form we got here. So here also we'll get 49 by 27, and when we divide here also we'll get 1 whole 22 by 27. Okay, so therefore required fraction will be equal to 1 whole 22 by 27. Okay, next is question number 4. Question number 4: if the cost of 6 whole 1 by 4 meter of cloth is rupees 1421 7 by 8, okay, then find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Very easy question. If the cost of this many meter of cloth is this much, then find the cost of 1 meter. So we can go for unitary method, isn't it? So according to question, in unitary method what we'll do, we'll find the cost of a unit item. That means 1. Unit means 1. The cost of 6 hole 1 by 4 meter of cloth is rupees 1421 hole 7 by 8. Okay, now the cost of 1 meter of cloth is this divided by this, isn't it? That is 1421, this is 1, okay, 7 by 8 divided by 6 whole 1 by 4. Okay, now just simplifying it, when we change it into improper fraction, this mixed fraction to improper fraction, we'll get 11,375 by 8, and here we will get this mixed fraction to improper fraction, we will get 25 by 4. Okay, here what you do, you'll multiply these two, 6 4s are 24 plus 1. Similarly here 1421 into 8 plus 7. Okay, so here now 11,375 by 8, this will change into multiplication sign and this fraction will be reciprocal. That means this 4 will go to numerator and 25 in the denominator. So when we cancel it, 25 24 25 455 ja, we'll get this much. Okay, here 4 1s are 4 2s are, now how much we are getting, 445 55 by here 2. So we'll divide it to change it into mixed fraction, that is rupees 227 whole 1 by 2. So the required cost, therefore cost of 1 meter cloth is equals to rupees 227 1 by 2, isn't it? Next is question number 5. How many pieces of length 3 hole 5 by 7 meter each can be cut from a wall paper 52 meter long? So here how many pieces, we have to find number of pieces of length 3 hole 5 by 7 meter. Okay, that means each piece length is 3 hole 5 by 7 meter and the total length of a wallpaper is 52 meter long. Okay, that means from this wallpaper we have to cut 3 hole 5 by 7 meter and we have to find how many pieces of this length we can cut from this many meter long wallpaper. Okay, so that means if we divide this 52 meter by this length, we will get the number of pieces of this length, isn't it? So solution according to question. Okay, what we can write, 52 divided by 3 whole 5 by 7, that means 52, this one mixed fraction to improper fraction, 26 by 7, 7 3 is 21 plus 5, 26 by 7. So here this will be equal to 52. Divide will change into multiply, and this will be reciprocal, that is 7 by 26. This 1, this 2 times, and 7 2s are 14. Okay, so therefore 14 pieces of, or pieces can be cut from a wallpaper 52-meter long of 3 hole 5 by 7 length, isn't it? Next is question number 6. Question number 6. A log of wood 6 hole 2 by 7 meter in length was cut into 11 pieces. What is the length? What is the length of each piece? I think this you can do it. A log of wood this many meter in length, we have to cut this into 11 pieces. That means we have to divide this one by 11, isn't it? So here, according to question, solution is a log of wood is 6 hole 2 by 7 meter in length. Okay, it is cut into how many pieces? 11 pieces. Okay, therefore the length of each piece will be equal to 6 whole 2 by 7 divided by 11. Okay, very simple work. This mixed fraction into improper fraction, 44 by 7 we get 6 7s are 42 plus 2 44 divided by 11. Okay, and again we have to change that divide sign into multiplication sign, and this will become 11 will become 1 by 11. Reciprocal of 11 is 1 by 11. So 11 ones are 11 fours are, so we get 4 by 7 meter. That means we can cut this log into 11 pieces, and each piece will be of length 4 by 7 meter. Okay, next is question number 7. A car covers 641 1 by 4 kilometer. Okay, in 43 hole 1 by 8 liters of fuel. Fuel means what? Petrol, diesel, diesel. How much distance can this car cover in 1 liter of fuel? So here car covers this many kilometer in this many liters of fuel. Now we have to find in 1 liter of fuel how much distance that car can cover. Okay, so according to question, solution is in 43 hole 1 by 8 liters of fuel, a car covers 641 hole 1 by 4 kilometer. Okay, kilometer. Now in 1 liter of fuel, a car covers 641 whole 1 by 4 divided by 43 whole 1 by 8 kilometer, isn't it? If we divide this one by this, we will get the distance covered in 1 liter. So simplification, this mixed fraction to improper fraction, this 2 multiply plus 1 will get 2565 by 4 divided by this mixed fraction into improper fraction will get 345 by 8. Do the calculation of changing this mixed to improper in rough work. Okay, and now cancelling this will get by this one multiplication sign 8 by reciprocal of this. So now you will cancel it 69 times 513 by 5 you are dividing this also, this also. Now again this is by 3 we get 23 here, by 3 we get here 171. Okay, now multiplying this also is going to cancel. Multiplying this will get 342 and here 23. Okay, so convert it into mixed fraction. 23 14 times here 20 as the remainder. So this many kilometer can be covered by this car using 1 liter fuel. Okay, thank you very much.